Meet the Dyson PencilVac, the slimmest, most innovative vacuum cleaner designed for effortless, precise cleaning. At just 38 millimeters in diameter, the PencilVac's handle cleverly houses all its powerful electronics, creating a slim, lightweight design. It's engineered for supreme maneuverability, making it easy to clean tight spaces and awkward corners with ease. Dyson's unique Fluffycones technology prevents hair from getting tangled, so you won't lose suction or time untangling your vacuum. The 4 omnidirectional circular brushes work together, reaching every angle to capture dust and debris effortlessly. Powered by Dyson's Hyperdymium Motor, spinning at 140,000 RPM, the PencilVac delivers powerful suction. Its slim design lets it slide under furniture as low as 9.5 centimeters, cleaning those hard-to-reach spots others miss. Capturing 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, the PencilVac's advanced filtration keeps the air clean. Its linear dust separation system compresses debris efficiently, while washable filters and detachable parts make maintenance simple. Dual LED indicators keep you informed on performance and upkeep. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning, extendable to 60 with an extra battery. The magnetic charging stand offers easy storage and charging, while Bluetooth connectivity links to the MyDyson app, helping you monitor maintenance and optimize performance right from your phone. Launching first in Australia and Japan this year, the Dyson PencilVac will arrive in the US in 2026. It's the perfect blend of sleek design, powerful performance, and smart technology, redefining how you clean your home. Discover more about the Dyson PencilVac. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest in smart home technology.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.